Okay, so we are back to the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. So this is the Galaxy Z Fold 6. So I also have on the side here are two cases. The one that is the kind suitcase in tan color came in free with the members ZF6 code during the pre-order, while the Z Fold S Pen 6 case is something that I purchased separately and is currently on 50% off during the pre-order, which is about 2,495 something pesos in general. So let's go dive in on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. So I have here one of the pre-order online color exclusive, which is I think they called it like carbon black or crafted black rather. So the crafted black color comes in coming like a carbon fiber backing. So once you open the package, so you are greeted with the unit with the Z Fold 6 unit, and then right comes on the package are your typical Samsung not so not so exciting stuff. Like you got your SIM ejector tool, like useless paper. Like maybe they should eliminate this already. And then the USB 6 USB-C cover as well, or USB-C cable rather. And then we have here the actual unit itself. The color crafted black looks really good. So comes in that nice black color. And then, so there you go. So that is a quick unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 in crafted black color. Let's turn this on. And I will get back to you guys on setting this up and we'll be back.